So naturally, before you begin any work, turn the breaker off. So this is the Roth Lange light switch from the Hornbach, and if you take it out of its package, this is what it looks like. So here's the switch just right here. If you turn it around, there's a diagram on the back that shows you how to wire it up, but it's not very clear until you understand what DC and G refer to. L stands for the live wire, so in this case the brown wire. And this DC and G, if you turn the switch back around, correspond to these nodes up here. So we can see A, B, C, D, and then down at the bottom we can see E, F, G. So by using this diagram, we can put the live wire or the brown wire in this connection. There's two of them, it doesn't matter which one you use, and the black wire down here in the G connection. So we'll just push the wires into the holes. And there we go. So we've squished all the wires in now, and now we're just going to tighten in these screws here. So the boxes come with screws often, but they're only, say, 20 millimeters, and often that's too short, especially if your switches are on top of tiles or something. So it's better to purchase a box of, say, 30 millimeter screws instead, and that can save you some frustration as these ones might be too short. So they're just the M3 30 millimeter screws. So we'll go ahead and tighten those screws now. The next step is to put on the switch itself. So this is purchased separately as a separate part. It doesn't come with the actual switch mechanism. And so you put on the cover, and inside this little baggie here, you have the actual faceplate and another clear little plastic thingy. So first of all, you put on this cover, and you can just hold it there. There's some writing on this clear little plastic thingy, so pivot it so that you can read the writing correctly. And then it's very simple. These two tabs here just click in to the steel and hold this white border on. And there we go. So I've turned off the breaker, or I've turned on the breaker again, sorry, and let's see if it works. There we go.